Far as our new Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Bhupendra Yadav is concerned, he is also taking charge. On your screens, live visuals of him taking charge at the moment.
मैं सबसे पहले यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के प्रति आभार और कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करता हूं कि उन्होंने मुझे एक अहम मंत्रालय की जिम्मेदारी पुनः प्रदान करी है। इस जिम्मेदारी को मैं निर्वहन करने के लिए पूरी तत्परता के साथ कार्य करूंगा। पूरी दुनिया में जो पर्यावरणीय संकट है उसके बहुत बड़े एक्शन कार्यक्रम के रूप में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी द्वारा ग्लासगो की कॉप में मिशन लाइफ एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली लाइफस्टाइल इसका प्रारंभ किया गया था, जिसको आज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट और जो दुनिया में एक सबसे बड़ा इस समय विषय है माइंडफुल कंजम्पशन रेदर देन माइंडलेस यूटिलाइजेशन, उसको लेकर के मिशन लाइफ एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली लाइफस्टाइल पूरे दुनिया में चल रहा है। अभी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के द्वारा एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, जिस तरह का जलवायु तापमान, बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी के चैलेंजेस, डेजर्टिफिकेशन ऑफ लैंड के चैलेंजेस जो हैं, उसके लिए एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, सभी एक पेड़ अपनी माँ के साथ जाकर के जरूर लगाएं। उनकी स्मृति ना हो तो स्मृति में लगाएं, लेकिन धरती माँ को हरा भरा बनाने के लिए इसको जिम्मेदारी के साथ करें। और ये भावुक अपील इसलिए भी है कि पेड़ लगाना नहीं, पेड़ को बचाना भी जरूरी है। इस मंत्रालय द्वारा अनेक कदम माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में पिछले 10 वर्षों में उठाए गए हैं और हम पर्यावरण और विकास इसको साथ साथ लेकर के आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। पिछले साल हमने देखा है टाइगर कंजर्वेशन के 50 साल पूरे हुए, एलिफेंट प्रोजेक्ट के भी 30 साल पूरे हुए, मिष्टी जैसा प्रोग्राम मैंग्रोव इनिशिएटिव फॉर सी शोर टेंजेबल इनकम प्रोग्राम को शुरू किया गया, उसके साथ ही साथ परिवेश पोर्टल को लागू किया गया। अनेकों
So the drill began already from yesterday with Prime Minister Modi first taking up the charge, and now his ministry is all set to take charges. We have already seen a couple of ministers going to their respective offices and already taking the charges. Last you heard Bhupendra Yadav, he's our Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change of India. The latest update that we have received from our sources is that MOS Environment, Kirtivardhan Singh, is also taking charge at the moment. We have seen in News 18's Payal Mehta, in fact, joining us on the broadcast. She's tracking all the latest updates as far as the ministers taking their respective charges at their respective offices are concerned. Payal, a very good morning to you. It's a very heavy morning. Ministers have already started taking their respective charges since morning. Tell us more. What exactly are you receiving from your sources as far as the latest informations are concerned?
Well, good morning, Sakshi, to our viewers and to you as well. Of course, it's a bright morning given the fact that there's peak of summer even now, but that's actually not stopped these ministers from discharging their duties as well. Remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, even before his government came to power, said that this government will work for the cause of the people and will work from the word go as well. So obviously everybody is taking charge. Everybody has their task cut out given the fact that the first 100 days target has already been set by the Prime Minister. As far as Bhupendra Yadav is concerned, he's an old war horse. He has been somebody who has excellent, track record as a organization person. Remember, recently he was sent to Odisha to manage the election over there, and he came out in flying colours. Earlier also he's been in charge of Gujarat and several other states. But most importantly, India is a country that the world is looking forward as far as sustainability is concerned, as far as the green energy is concerned. And India is committed to the hydrogen mission. India is also committed to the mission that they will be having zero carbon footprint as well. So obviously Bhupendra Yadav also in the last term as an environment minister has attended multiple events and multiple conferences across the world and taken India's message across the world. So of course, this is also a message of continuity as far as the Prime Minister is concerned.
Right. Payal, please stay with us. We are now shifting focus to another news being